Let's take a look at a okra plant. And it is very short right now, but he is already producing. And it's common for some brands to start producing very early, so that's okay. It should hit a growth spurt at some point. These were planted much later, but because of the weather, they started growing really, really well because I planted them when it was hot enough. Versus the other ones, they would be extremely tall if I planted them before these, but when the time was right. I planted them too early in this part. So this will be a beautiful update later whenever they do reach a higher height. Not sure if the bird can be seen, but this is the big buddy who's making all that noise. If it can be heard. So beautiful. And it's morning time, so they are often outside making beautiful sounds and noises, flying all around the little enclosure, which is my trampoline enclosure. It's the trampoline enclosures that we had on all three of our trampolines. I just took them down and used them for this. Instead of getting deer net. The trampoline will be okay. I have big boys.